Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are very well at your home and doing your work properly. Today me Pooja Sani, being a part of Surya School Rewari, is going to explain the poem The Quarrel written by Eleanor Ferguson from the book Honeysuckle. So let's start with the introduction of the poem. Generally brothers and sisters quarrel with each other. It is a very common situation. Many a times they quarrel with each other without any reason. Their quarrel began over very small petty issues and how with a small kind act the quarrels end. It is a very mystic and beautiful. So let's read this poem to feel the same. Start with our first stanza, and our first stanza is I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. The poet had a fight with his brother. Both of them were fighting and were not even aware of the cause of the fight. The fight was happening because of a series of things. One thing was giving way to another. While fighting, both fell down. In the beginning, the fight was modest and was not very serious, but gradually it grew intense and became a serious issue. His brother said that he was right, whereas the narrator was thinking himself on the right side. कवि और उसके भाई का आपस में झगड़ा हो जाता है. असल में दोनों को झगड़े का कारण भी नहीं पता होता है कि वो किस बात पर झगड़ रहे हैं. शुरुआत में तो झगड़ा किसी चीज़ को लेकर होता है, बहुत ही छोटे मैटर को लेकर उनका झगड़ा होता है, लेकिन बाद में उनका झगड़ा बहुत ही गंभीर रूप ले लेता है और दोनों अपनी तरफ से सोचते हैं कि पोएट सोचता है कि मेरा रीज़न सही है झगड़ा करने का, मैं सही हूँ, लेकिन उनका भाई ये सोचता है कि वो सही है, वो उनकी तरफ से सही है. Second stanza is we hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We cannot go on all night." I was in wrong, so he was in the right. In the noon, the fight became serious and both started hating each other. दोपहर होते होते उनका झगड़ा गंभीर हो जाता है और दोनों एक दूसरे से नफरत करने लगते हैं. All of a sudden, poet's brother hit him on the back and asked him to get along, as it was not the right thing to pull the matter. तभी अचानक कवि का भाई उसकी पीठ को थपथपाते हुए कहता है कि इस झगड़े को, इस मैटर को यहीं ख़त्म करें, सही नहीं है इसको कि ज़्यादा बढ़ा चढ़ाया जाए. He also declared humbly that he was wrong, और वो बड़ी उदारता से ये भी कहता है कि गलती उसकी थी, which proved his generosity, जिससे उसको प्रूव भी किया. This moved the poet's heart and realized that he was wrong. इससे कवि को भी ये रियलाइज़ हो गया कि गलती उसकी थी. I hope you understand this poem. Thank you so much.